2023 Suzuki V Strom 1050 First Look ADV styling and ergonomics. Although the new 2023 V Strom 1050 lineup has grabbed the headline, it's worth remembering that street-oriented ADV enthusiasts will be interested in the updates to the standard 2023 Suzuki V Strom 1050. With the day taking care of the off-roaders, the V Strom 1050 retains its focus on pavement performance with ADV styling and ergonomics. While the updates aren't as extensive at the XT Replace Day, there is still quite a bit new on the 2023 V Strom 1050. There's a new electronics package for the 2023 Suzuki V Strom 1050. At the system's heart is a 6-direction IMU that interacts with the 32-bit ECU. Using CAN technology, all the digital wizardry is tied together independent of the wiring harness. There are several new electronic rider aids in the latest V Strom 1050. You get cornering-aware ABS and traction control, grade-aware rear wheel lift mitigation, weight awareness, hill hold, and up, down quickshifter, and cruise control. Also, the ride-by-wire throttle gets retuned, and the grip return tension is adjusted. There are 3 levels of traction control on the street, plus it can be turned off for dirt excursions. The 2-level cornering-aware ABS is upgraded. It's always on, with the more aggressive Mode 2 providing more intervention than in previous years. There are 3 power modes, and they are tied in with the traction control setting. All 3 modes have the same maximum power, with the throttle response moderated. The cruise control can be set over a wide range of speeds. You can set it for any speed from 15 to 100 miles per hour, though you have to be in second gear or higher. The new quickshifter is matched to a revised 6-speed transmission. Suzuki has raised the ratios for first and sixth gear to smooth out the quickshifter's action, and that's aided and abetted by a new gear position sensor. The clutch has assist and slipper functions, plus Suzuki's proprietary low RPM assist system that helps prevent stalling when pulling away from a stop. A new 5-inch TFT dash allows the rider to monitor the 1050's systems. There are 2 modes, day and night, and you can adjust the brightness of each either manually or automatically. There's a 2-amp USB charging port on the side of the instrument panel. It is joined by a 12-volt, 36-watt DC socket under the passenger seat. The ergonomics of the 2023 Suzuki V Strom 1050 are updated. There are 2 seat height positions, 33.7 and 34.5 inches. The new 11-position hand-adjustable windscreen moves over a 2-inch sweep. Plus, the mirrors are new, with a dual focus on style and rear-view function. LED lighting is everywhere: headlight, turn signals, and tail brake light. The LEDs are brighter than the bulbs they replaced.